Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to start and run a profitable blog. Blogging is a great way to share your ideas, connect with like-minded people, and even make some money. But it can be overwhelming to get started, especially if you don't know where to begin. That's why we've put together this ultimate guide to help you get on the path to success. Section 1. Finding your niche. The first step in starting a successful blog is finding your niche. What topic are you passionate about? What expertise do you have that you can share with others? Finding your niche will help you focus your content and attract the right audience. Section 2. Setting up your blog. Once you've found your niche, it's time to set up your blog. You'll need to choose a platform, such as WordPress or Blogger, and a domain name. We recommend investing in a self-hosted platform, as it gives you more control and flexibility over your blog. Section 3. Creating great content. Now that your blog is set up, it's time to start creating content. The key to success is to create content that is high quality, engaging, and relevant to your audience. You can use tools like Google Analytics to track your blog's performance and see which posts are resonating with your readers. Section 4. Building your audience. To make money from your blog, you'll need to build an audience. This can be done through social media, email marketing, and SEO. Engage with your readers and respond to comments and feedback to build a community around your blog. Section 5. Monetizing your blog. Finally, once you've built a strong audience, you can start monetizing your blog. This can be done through ads, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and selling products or services. But remember, the key to success is to always put your audience first and provide value. So there you have it, our ultimate guide to starting and running a profitable blog. It takes time, effort, and dedication, but with the right strategy and mindset, anyone can be successful in the world of blogging.
Do you have any questions? Get a link in the description for more information. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.